Hi everybody. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm just going to go over and review some of the formatting steps for using Google Spreadsheets or Spreadsheet. It's in your Google Drive, and so I'm going to click on this grid right here because I'm already signed in. Oh, there we go. Drive. Now I want to create one, and then it gives me the option to create a document, presentation, like a PowerPoint, a spreadsheet, form drawing. I want spreadsheet comparable to Microsoft Excel. Then I'm going to label it. Just click in there, click on Untitled Spreadsheet. I'll label it my hours. Should put my time. My time would be more appropriate. But the next thing that I'm going to do is I know that I want to have, let's say, all these columns. I want them to be the days of the week. We'll start with Sunday and then travel all the way to Saturday. And then here are going to be kind of the categories for the days of the week. So let me just double check and make sure I can got this right. So they're going to be the subjects. So for instance, we'll have math, and I'm going to start in A2 because we're not going to be able to use A1 because we need to reference B2. So like if I put Sunday here, this is where their merger would be how many hours I spent on math or minutes I spent on math on Sunday. So math is going to be an A2, and then we'll have science in A3, history, and so on and so forth. Now, as far as we're labeling the days of the week on the columns in row 1, let's put in Sunday, Monday, and now the computer's pretty smart, so it knows that we're creating a calendar, a days of the week list. So all you have to do to trigger that is to click on Sunday, highlight through Monday, and then go to the bottom right hand corner and just drag your cursor across until you reach 5 more, and then it unfolds all the days of the week in succession. And so let's say I spent an hour and 20 minutes. So that would be, or let's say I spent an hour and 15 minutes. So it would be an hour 0.25. So 1.25 here. Now if you want to break it up into minutes, I could say what's 60 plus 15 be 75 minutes. And one hang-up is make sure not to put minutes within the cell itself, because the computer gets confused when you combine letters and numbers together, because later on you're going to try and create formulas, and it can't make formulas out of words. So you can actually you can even type in like minutes up here, or make a note at the bottom that says all data, inputted data, will be in minutes. And then that should be pretty much your basic formatting. And then obviously if you want to border these cells, so you'll have a list of subjects as well as your free time and hours you spend sleeping right here. And then If you want to border, it's as simple as all borders, and it would just border all the cells. Click on that. One thing that we didn't go over was auto sum. We've done this a bunch in our last project, the band project, but let's say I've got math, I spent 75 minutes, and Sunday I spent 15 minutes on history, 10 minutes on history, 15 minutes on science. And now I want my total down here on this line just beneath. So B12, I'm sorry, should be my total. And let's see, to get that, I'm clicked on B12, and it might be different for you guys. It might be B10, B15, or whatever. It just depends on how many categories you have here. I'm going to go to sum, and now it's allowing me, so it's telling me equal sign sum. Now I can highlight what cells I want it to add up. I can highlight these three, or I can highlight all of these. If I highlight all of these, it's going to be the same product as if I highlighted all of these, because there's zero information in there in cells B5 through B11. So I'm just going to hit enter. And 100, 75 plus 15 plus 10 is in fact 100. And what else can I show you guys? Oh, if you want to format your, let's say this, you know what, that's good enough for right now. So there'll be another tutorial on more involved formatting.